Hi, my name is Nailana Murphy. I'm a current graduate here at Navajo Technical University in industrial engineering. My role here at the CAM lab is the metal additive manufacturing technician. I taught the students the fundamentals of metal additive manufacturing using one of many techniques, which is direct energy deposition, known as DED. So students were in here for the 2 weeks, and we brought down and showed them the process of how to metal print with metal, so teaching them how about parameters. I really like to give thanks to Scott Halliday and the engineering department for giving the opportunity to teach these students. Without their guidance, I couldn't have built the foundation that I have right now, so having to teach the students what I've learned is very insightful for myself as well for them.
Good morning, my name is Levi Nimrod. I am the Center for Advanced Manufacturing's CAM Media Intern. I'm actually here for QCAM to be able to capture media and images for QCAM itself, and I work with a lot of people under Scott. It's been very eye-opening on the different things I can actually take advantage of while I work here at my internship. Also, I do have like a lot of support from Scott to be able to push forward, so that we do offer a really well-oiled machine when it comes to our media, and we create how-to videos for other universities for the machinery that we have here.
Hi, I'm Jared Reedhead. I work at the Fab Lab here in NTU, Navajo Technical University. I have been working a lot with the QCAM, being able to help them in what they're accomplishing in their lives, trying to do research and learning and gaining that experience that they need in their lives to improve and to specialize. And I have also been working with this new machine here that we have gotten. It's called the laser marker, which is able to use lasers to engraven or mark metal parts, as well as polymer, resin, epoxy, lots of different other things that this thing is capable of doing, and we're just learning. It's been a great experience all around.
My name is Adrienne Teneker. I'm the Material Testing Lab Coordinator at the Center for Advanced Manufacturing, and I'm participating in the QCAM Summer Program for 2024. In the QCAM program, I'm doing the materials testing and microscopy. So we're teaching students a different skill set, teaching them how to analyze data, how to collect data. We're also teaching them how to design parts so that they can do tensile testing, and we want them to understand material properties. So it's been a great experience. We have a lot of students that are in here wanting to learn and eager to learn. We got a lot of students that it's a first time for them. We've had a really good time with them. We've met a lot of good students, and I think they're going to go home and really think about what they're doing here, what they've learned here, and hopefully it'll help them as they continue to finish up their schooling, any internships, things like that. We really hope to see them progress and see good things come out of this for them.